You apply for job after job. You have the qualifications. You have the skills. But still, no interview calls. What if the real problem is not your experience, but your resume being rejected by a computer? In this video, I'll explain what an ATS-friendly resume is, why most resumes fail, and how you can create a resume that actually reaches HR. What is ATS? ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. It is software used by companies to screen resumes automatically. Before a recruiter sees your resume, ATS scans it for keywords, skills, job titles, and format. If ATS cannot read your resume correctly, it gets rejected instantly. Why resumes get rejected? Most people design resumes to look beautiful, but ATS does not care about design. Photos, icons, tables, and graphics confuse the system. A fancy resume looks good to humans, but a simple resume works best for ATS. An ATS-friendly resume is clean, simple, and text-based. It uses correct headings, proper formatting, and the right keywords from the job description. Simple does not mean boring. Simple means effective. Always use standard fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman. Keep the font size between 10.5 and 12. Use a single column layout. Avoid tables, text boxes, and multiple columns. The best file format for your resume is DOCX. PDF is acceptable only if it is text-based. Scanned or image resumes are unreadable by ATS and get rejected automatically. ATS recognizes only standard resume headings. Use headings like professional summary, skills, work experience, education. Creative headings reduce your chances because ATS cannot recognize them. ATS works mainly on keywords. Read the job description carefully. Use the exact same skills and terms in your resume. Do not change words. Matching keywords can double your selection chances. Always list your experience in reverse chronological order. Use bullet points instead of long paragraphs. Start bullet points with action words like managed, analyzed, developed, or improved. Never add photos, charts, icons, headers, or footers. Do not use uncommon job titles. One small formatting mistake can stop your resume from reaching HR. Customize your resume for every job. One job application needs one tailored resume. Remember, simple resumes get interviews. Smart resumes get hired. If you want an ATS-friendly resume template or a resume review, comment "resume" below. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.